In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Myfxbook account. We're going to walk through creating a secure, read-only link that lets someone view your trading account details on Myfxbook without giving them your login. This is perfect for sharing performance with clients, colleagues, or friends while keeping full control over what they can see. Start by logging into your Myfxbook account on the official website. Use your usual credentials and make sure you're on a secure connection. Remember, you're not sharing your login with anyone, only a controlled viewing link, so your account access remains private. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your avatar or profile icon. It may appear as your profile photo or initials. This opens a quick menu for your personal controls. From that menu, choose Settings. This takes you to your account configuration area, where you manage preferences for your profile, security, and how others can view your trading data. Inside Settings, find and open the Invitations tab. This is the dedicated section for creating and managing shareable links. Think of it as your hub for granting read-only access to specific accounts with exactly the level of detail you choose. Next, pick the trading account you want to share. If you have multiple accounts connected to Myfxbook, you'll see them listed or available in a drop-down. Be sure you select the correct account. Check the account name, broker, or label to avoid sharing the wrong one. Now, adjust the visibility options. These controls let you decide what viewers will be able to see when they open your link. Things like balance, equity, history, open trades, or profitability metrics. Choose only the data you're comfortable sharing. If you're sending the link to a broad audience, consider limiting sensitive details. If it's for a specific client who needs more context, you can enable additional views. Enable the Active URL toggle. Turning this on generates a unique share link tied to your chosen account and visibility settings. You stay in control. You can come back later to turn it off, which instantly revokes access. Click Apply Settings to save everything. This step finalizes your choices and produces the live sharing link based on the visibility you set. You'll now see the generated link. Copy it and send it to the person or group you want to give access to using your preferred messaging or email tool. Share it only with trusted recipients and avoid posting it publicly unless that's your intention. If you ever need to change what viewers can see, update the visibility options and apply settings again, or toggle the active URL off to disable the link instantly. That's it. Your Myfxbook account is now shareable, safely, and on your terms.